December 10th.
Oh, it was in here. She did it again. Let me see. Who'd you get?
Belle.
Belle. Yes on that. So this is the second pair of Belle.
Put that in the drawer.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Put them in the drawer. Here comes Sid with her wicked. She went right to, oh my goodness. She went, oh, nice. Oh, this is probably my fave so far. All the cards, the Tin Man, the Scarecrow, and...
Yes.
And who's that?
The lion.
The lion, yes.
Scarecrow.
Yes. Oh, I love it, day 10. That's my fave so far. Good morning, you guys. Oh my goodness. The house is so quiet. So the girls are going. Hubby has somewhat of a late start this morning. So he offered to take Hershey out for me. So I was so grateful because it's so cold. So yes on that. I'm going to fix her breakfast. And yeah, the girls open their advent calendar. So I'll do mine. Oh, he's here. Maybe he could do the Disney one. Oh, yes on that. Okay, I just got excited. Now, watch I forget. Oh, my goodness. So, yes on that. I'm going to fix Hershey's food. So, we are traveling 12/12, Sydney's birthday. I am not packed. No one is. So, I just feel like I'm in the moment in every day and I need to squeeze in some packing. So I just need to figure out what's going on, what's going in the bags, and let's roll on out. But maybe I'll do that now this morning since I already decluttered some things. I'll see. Yes on Harry. So day 10 down here is rocking. I wonder if I got some cards or something. Oh no, it's an ornament. Yes on the ornament that I can go downstairs now and put on my Harry Potter tree. Oh, hubby just came back in. Hold on. Yes, day 10 is rocking right here. I got all excited when I realized that you could open it this morning because you're never here at this time. Oh my goodness, he like Kara.
Oh my God, what's this?
I can't with him.
Oh, it's Boba Fett's helmet. Oh,
Yes.
how cool is that?
See? It's the reason why he was supposed to open this.
Wow, it's even got the dent.
Oh, yeah, it sure does.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
All right.
Woohoo!
I can't. Why are you doing too much? Somebody was telling me, I think it was New York Rick. He was telling me I wasn't reading, but they all say the same thing, many Disney brands that fit in your hand. So I feel like everyone that I open says the same thing. So yes on hubby opening day 10. The teas have been fire, right? So day 10, I can't keep up with my days. Here we go, right here. Down here on the piano. Eggnog, black tea. You better stop it on that. I feel like I'm not going to need to mix this with anything else either. These teas have been fire. Yes on that. Hey, mommy. Hold on. Day 10, day 10. See, I love this. I can't even find, oh, here it is. Oh, it's a little bit of a bigger one that says Merry Christmas. Is it in something now? Oh, okay, she can get it. I think I can tell what it is. Yes, I love it. I think it was a carrot. I think it was a carrot. Yes, it's a carrot. It's a carrot. Okay. So I'm starting to put some things together. I'm in Kara's room right now. We're just going to rock these bags. These are perfect. I am very minimal, let me say that. I will have an outfit for every day, all the essentials, but I'm not an overpacker. I'm not a just in case packer, you know what I mean? So this is perfect. You know, I keep it tight. I got some packing cubes in there that's gonna rock, and these strawberry Pop-Tarts need to go. You guys know this is Kara's twist. They go on every vacation, right? But I need to make sure that we have some for the plane. We have some for our actual destination. So they both will rock, but, you know, Kara more than Sydney. So, Yes on that. So this is Kara. I still have to put some things together in here because you know she needs her calendar and just all the things, right? So yes. Oh, I don't think we saw Kara, right? I don't think we ever saw Sid put her comforter on. Merry Christmas. You know her. She is all about the red. So yes on that. So this is Sydney's bag. She don't care if I'm in here. So this is hers. You know, she's always the pink packing cubes, right? And this is hers. This is her color right here. And then mine is black. It's going to be the same one I took to Chi-Town, actually. So yes on that. Yes on the packing cubes. You know, and these are the compression ones. So yeah, I keep it tight. So this is going to be Sydney's birthday outfit. It's a sweatsuit from Vicky's, pink, right? As long as it's rocking that red, she is cool in the gang. That is so pretty. I love it. And it's all about the comfort for me when I'm flying. So however I'm feeling, I feel like my girls feel the same way. So yes on the comfort. So I'm rocking, right? And you know I gravitated towards this one. These are the ones that I grabbed from Temu about 2 years ago. And I feel like we may have used them once, but it's perfect for what we got going on now. And I love the storage. You know what I mean? Like throw some things in here. I need compartments. That's a big deal for me. So yes on that. Yes on the lens wipes. We're all rocking. We're all rocking glasses now, me, hubby, and Sid, and everybody except Kara, right? I pulled this out from the Harry Potter shop. Yes on that. Yeah, this was the bag that I used. And I'm still into the cow print. And it's the black and white for me. So yeah, this is me. I'm keeping it tight in here, right? I'm still rocking the gray packing cubes. And again, compression so I can, you know, get some things in there. So yes on that. Still a few things that need to go in there. One of my necessities now when we're traveling in the car, like for a long period of time, like let's say Virginia, right, for the summer vacay or on a plane, I need these compression socks now. So yeah, my legs do cramp up. Sometimes they swell. So this is a big part of my travel now. So I did grab these from Amazon, I think 4 in a pack, yeah, because we all have one. And it's just a quick, easy, you know, for those toiletries. I feel like, right, my makeup bag, which will be small, will be, you know, cuter, right? But these, they need to be able to see through it and all the things. So this is perfect. It's cute too. It's clear, it's black, it has the pictures on it. So yes on that, and we all have one. Oh my goodness. So this was 8, right? Miss Girl, I thought it was 9. I am so discombobulated. I need to scan over because Kara changes this every day so I know what's going on. So we have 2, 9 and 10. Oh, I'm excited. Let me pop that. It's another palette. I think I decluttered this one too. Oh my goodness. Yes on that, the tartlet. You remember this? Oh my goodness. That is crazy. Hold on. Yes on that. It looks exactly like it. Wow, that is fire. That is fire. Here's 10 up here. Oh, this looks like another Redken bottle. Let me pull it out. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Acidic color gloss. So that was that one. And then remember, we had this one. So yes on that. I am floored by these palettes. That is insane. So yes on day 9 and 10. Miss Girl, I just got anxiety when I was in here looking for some new nails. These have to come off. They have been rocking for almost 3 weeks. The Wicked nails. It's December 10th. And these went on before I saw Wicked. Oh my goodness. So I grabbed these. These are pretty, right? I feel like it's like a brownish, kind of gingerbready. Throw some jewels on there. These are the nail drip ones. So yes on that. I just picked these up recently. So I think I'm going to put these on. These will be nice for the trip. And then, you know, for the next couple weeks. So yes on that. But girl, we got to declutter. Oh my goodness. Let me close that. I'm running for the train. I'm power walking. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I'm home. I stopped at Primark and picked up a couple things. I was just kind of wandering a little bit. I just wanted to see what they had. I feel like I go in there seasonally, mostly during Christmas because they have a lot of Disney things and we're always going on vacation. So, yes, on the cosmetic bag, right, with the T. Isn't that so pretty? That's so pretty. I just grabbed some earrings for me and the girls. Some rings. Sydney likes to throw these on. Look what they have. Yes, on the Harry Potter Christmas balls. All 4 houses. So I'm going to go downstairs and put these on with the ornament that I got out of the advent calendar, right? Yes, on that. They're so pretty. I can't wait to pull them out. And then I grabbed this too. Isn't that so cute? Mm-hmm. Throw the toiletry things in there. Yes. I'm back down here in the space. So see what I mean? I solemnly swear no good that I am up to. Oh my goodness. So one of you said I sound like Harry Potter, like Yoda. I bust out laughing. I could not stop laughing. I had to share that with hubby. So, and he knew it too, exactly the way I was saying it. And he said it too. Oh my goodness. So I need to switch this before I put the other ornaments on. Oh my goodness. So here's Ravenclaw blue, which is the top. Girl. Oh. Wait, let me put this on. Oh my goodness. So that's the cake. Wait a minute. You better stop it on that. Oh my goodness. All right, well, he's gonna stay there. I'm gonna put Slytherin right here. Mm-hmm. Yes, put Hufflepuff over here. I didn't want to put it too close to the ornament that I grabbed from Chicago. So yes on that. And Gryffindor, I'm gonna put that right here. Yes on that. And here's the advent calendar ornament. I don't see the other one. Oh, there it is. Okay, so now we're good to go. And I'm leaving Pablo over there. Yes. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end it here. I feel like I'm competing with Sydney because she has her Elmo thing going on over here, right? But I don't have to cook tonight. It's Wednesday. Hump Day Wednesday is usually like a break for me. Just like I don't clean on the weekends. I just don't. I don't want to. I do everything during the week. I'm in the bathrooms. I'm mopping the floors. I'm like every day I'm doing something, right? So that I don't have to work on my days off. So yeah, I think I want Chipotle. Sydney said, yeah, I think I want Chipotle tonight. I feel like, I don't know. We're going to be, I think they're getting pizza. I don't know. So yeah, I have to fix Hershey's food. I don't have to take her food, but I know what I want her to have, what I want her to eat. So, and what she's used to eating. So I'm going to pack her food for, you know, the days that we'll be gone. And yeah, her hard food, her soft food. I'm getting sad because, you know, I have to drop her off, but I'll be doing that tomorrow. And yeah, I think we're just going to, like, I know I still have to finish packing, right? So I feel like it's legit around the corner, and it really is. Like, oh my goodness. So, and I feel like tomorrow's a busy day. You know, Sydney still has her music class going on. It's just all the things. So yeah, so I'm gonna end it here, you guys, and if I do anything, you know, crazy tonight, I'll just show you tomorrow, right? All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.